Welcome back to Car Release TV, where we dive into the most iconic and thrilling cars that have shaped automotive history. Today, we're taking a closer look at a Ferrari that has left its mark as one of the most beloved mid-size sports cars of all time, the Ferrari 328 GTS. Whether you're a collector, a driving enthusiast, or just a fan of Ferrari's timeless design, this is one you'll want to stick around for. But before we get into the heart-pounding specs and stunning design of this classic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We bring you the latest and greatest from the world of cars, and by subscribing, you'll never miss out on an exclusive release or car review. Share this video with your fellow car lovers, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Main content. The Ferrari 328 GTS. What makes it such an enduring symbol of Ferrari's legacy in high-performance sports cars? Let's start with its core. Underneath that sleek, aerodynamic body is a powerful 3.2-liter V8 engine that pumps out 270 horsepower and 231 pound-feet of torque. This engine allows the 328 GTS to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds and hit a top speed of 160 miles per hour. Not bad for a car that first hit the roads in the mid-1980s. One of the standout features of the 328 GTS is its 5-speed manual transmission, offering precise and engaging shifts. Driving this car is a real experience. Each gear change connects you to the road in a way that modern cars just can't replicate. It's that tactile, hands-on feeling that keeps drivers coming back for more. Now let's talk design. The 328 GTS is a masterpiece of sleek, aerodynamic styling, featuring Ferrari's signature retractable headlights and a distinct rear spoiler. These details not only look incredible, but also serve to enhance the car's performance. The flowing lines and graceful curves of the exterior represent Ferrari's design language at its best, a true blend of form and function that has turned heads for decades. Owning a Ferrari 328 GTS is like owning a piece of Ferrari history. This car isn't just about speed, it's about an unmatched driving experience. The mid-engine layout gives it superb handling, while the manual transmission offers a level of control that's becoming increasingly rare in today's automatic-dominated market. It's an experience that has stood the test of time, and driving it today feels just as thrilling as when it first hit the streets. This car offers more than just numbers on a spec sheet. It delivers nostalgia, exclusivity, and the pure essence of what makes Ferrari so special. For collectors and driving purists alike, the Ferrari 328 GTS is not just a car, it's an experience. Thanks for watching Car Release TV. Remember to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with anyone who has a love for classic cars. See you in the next video.